Well, folks, here we are coming into Tallahassee, Florida. Tallahassee. Look at these trees. I came through here on December 28th. There was a downpour like I'd never seen before. Let's look at these trees, folks, that have stood for hundreds of years. Hundreds of years. Wind was blowing 50 miles an hour. And every tree was toppled. Not nice to mess with Mother Nature. But the climate changers who change the climate and blame the farmers and anyone burning their backyard barbecues and their firewood on Christmas Day have other ideas. Every tree on the ground, folks. Hope you can see that good. Driving here at 74 miles an hour. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Over here, north side. Every tree toppled. Well, obviously not every tree. There's a few standing. Seems like the logging companies are moving in here and reaping a windfall. No pun intended, of course. Topple the trees. Not to mention, make room for the 5Gs. Coming into Tallahassee, folks. This is what they do with their weather warfare. Destroying the earth. Just look at that. You ever seen anything like this before? I haven't. This was December 28th. Coming down in buckets and droves. Thank God my van that the Lord gave me drove me through it all at 70 miles an hour. People have pulled over left and right. So this is what's going on, folks. Ruining the earth, destroying God's creation, but we know ain't gonna last much longer. They're gonna have their little fun. Soon there'll be no place for them to run and no place for them to hide. Though they hide in the clefts of the rocks or below the surface of the earth with their underground cities, or exalt their throne above the stars, surely the Lord will bring them down to the pit. End of video.